speak Marang.
All right. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or whatever the time in there. We're heading right now, going to Mount Apu Kapatagan and Tibulu, and our beautiful driver is here, no other than Elena Kopelek. Yeah, see, I just wanna show how was the driving skill of Elena in the Philippines. It is her first time to drive in the road of the Philippines. No, I think it is good. I guess it's nice.
Soon we are vomiting, every one of us.
Everyone else feel vomiting. And the children out there, Elena, Dofelik, and the one.
Look, horse.
Yeah, just see on the ice on the road.
Oh,
Oh my God.
what is happening? You are not seat belt. Beep beep.
Yeah,
Like a problem, beep beep.
our driver.
It's crazy. Chris is afraid of your driver.
It's good. It's good to drive. She's a good driver.
I don't like that this is so warm.
I'm gonna remove that.
Can we remove that?
Yeah, but
I don't know.
yeah,
Like this.
careful.
I'm always careful on the road.
Yeah, I know.
You're just stressed.
Because the road is not good, you know.
I like this the road. It's not
Yeah.
so bad.
You
As I thought in Philippines in the roads. It's better as I imagine.
Okay. Yan ako kung saan nagtingin kanina na ito nga.
Wow. Really? Make video how kids take it.
Okay, take it.
What's the name of the fruit?
Marang.
Again?
Marang.
Marong?
Marang.
Marang?
Yes.
Marang. So today we're eating marang.
Marang?
Real tasty.
Marang?
It's healthy food.
Yes.
It have many vitamins.
Yes. Vitamin C. Taste it.
А так какой-то. Мама, отойди лучше.
Почему? What?
Мам,
Yes.
сколько?
Ты нам my shoes it is.
Yeah.